Hey, iPhone fans, have you heard about the iPhone 16's A18 chip? If not, you're in for a treat. So, what's the big deal about the A18 chip? Well, this isn't just any upgrade. Apple's latest powerhouse is set to redefine what speed and efficiency mean in a smartphone. First off, compared to the A15 Bionic in the iPhone 13, the A18 chip is a beast. Think of it like trading in your old sedan for a shiny new sports car. Everything's faster, sleeker, and just plain better. But it's not just about speed. The A18 chip is designed to handle the latest AI features effortlessly. Imagine your phone understanding you better, predicting what you need before you even know it. From smarter Siri interactions to enhanced photo and video processing, it's like having a mini genius in your pocket. Battery life? Oh, it's got that covered too. More efficiency means less power drain, so you can go longer without hunting for a charger. But wait, there's more. Enhanced gaming capabilities, smoother multitasking, and a more responsive user experience overall. Gamers, multitaskers, and power users, this one's for you. In a nutshell, the A18 chip in the iPhone 16 isn't just an upgrade, it's a game changer. It's setting new standards for what a smartphone can do. So if you're thinking about upgrading, this might be the perfect time. Get ready to experience faster, smarter, and more efficient tech in the palm of your hand. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates. Catch you in the next one.